Hi everyone, today with me I have Survival Gear, and this is their box of everything you would need to survive, and it is a great starter, especially if you like camping or hiking. So let's break down everything you see here. So first you're going to get a survival knife, perfect for whenever you need to cut up something. Also a tactical pen. This can even break glass or windshields if you are ever in trouble. This is a bottle hanging buckle clip, so you can clip this onto your book bag and hold a bottle. The Flintstone and scraper to start fires. You also get a compass and a wire saw, and there's also a flashlight, a credit card, knives. This is super cool, can fit in your wallet, and it has so many different types of way to cut. Really helpful. You also have an emergency rescue blanket, a 4-in-1 survival bracelet. So you can see here there's even a little compass on it and a little knife or a saw. And lastly, we have the 7-in-1 whistle knife, and they also send you little goodies like carabiners. I absolutely love this kit. It is super helpful, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out on Amazon.